Join us as we take a closer look at Johnson's Baby Oil under the microscope, revealing the secrets of this beloved skincare product. Johnson's Baby Oil, widely known for its gentle moisturizing properties, is a staple in baby care routines worldwide. Under magnification, we observe its silky texture and translucent appearance, with tiny droplets reflecting light and showcasing its nourishing qualities. It's a fascinating glimpse into the gentle care provided by Johnson's Baby Oil, ensuring that every application leaves your little one's skin soft, smooth, and hydrated. A unique aspect of Johnson's Baby Oil is its versatility. While primarily known for moisturizing a baby's skin, it can also be used by adults for various purposes such as removing makeup, softening cuticles, or even as a gentle massage oil.